Before it becomes a multi-million-dollar ocean palace, it starts here as raw steel, resin, and imagination. In just a few months, this empty hall becomes a floating mansion, engineered to cross oceans in absolute comfort.
Welcome inside the luxury yacht factory. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how we turn materials into a multi-core comfort series. Welcome to our factory. I'll show you exactly how luxury yachts are made, step by step. Heads up on the left side.
Clear the area, moving the logs. Precise resin ratios and composite layers are balanced for strength, weight, and durability in open seas. Monitor the mixing graphs on screen 3.
Fluctuation detected. Adjusting intake valve.
Every core component is positioned and secured with millimeter accuracy, ensuring reliability across thousands of nautical miles. Every yacht is checked in meticulous detail before it ever touches the water.
And that's how a luxury yacht is made, from raw materials to a multi-million-dollar ocean palace, ready to set sail.
Tight as the collar.
Check the labels. This needs to go into the C12 tray.
Got it. Making sure it's tight.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side. Easy, easy. Hold it there.
Secure that insulation panel tightly.
All right, the lighting strips look straight up here. The white walls are next.
Noted irregularity at C4. Minor pitting requires attention.
Does this piece fit snugly against the beam? Almost. Push it tighter on your end.
Propulsion systems checked and verified. Moving to navigation.
Copy that. Helm controls also green. Look at this reading. We're still getting significant resonance in the mid-range.
I'm trying to dial it out, but the acoustics here are challenging.
Watch the stern line.
Clear on the port side.
Keep it coming down slow.
Charts are loading now. Looks good.
Acquiring satellite lock. System operational.
There's still some resonance coming through this panel. The access hatch is secure though. I've logged the data.
Comparing the as-built with the original design, we see the conduit routing changed here.
Yes, the field modification was necessary due to the clearance issue.